Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by connecting at least one social profile so data flows immediately. Once connected, choose a practical date range, 7, 30, or 90 days, to establish a baseline because comparisons reveal trends. Make sure to enable autosync and accept permissions. Without them, metrics stop updating. If you manage multiple pages, group them now for side-by-side analysis. This first step gets raw engagement, reach, and post-level data into Fanpage Karma, so all further actions are actionable and accurate. You now analyze post performance to understand what works. Sort by engagement, reach, or estimated CPC to prioritize high-return content. Once done, add 3 competitors to benchmark share of voice and spot content gaps. This shows where you win versus where you lag. Make sure to filter by content type, for example video, image, link, or text, so you compare apples to apples. Then export the top-performing post list and plan repurposing. These detailed middle steps reveal patterns and tactical opportunities. You finish by turning insights into action. Set automated reports, daily, weekly, or monthly, delivered as PDF or CSV so stakeholders stay informed. Then create action rules to boost top posts or pause underperforming campaigns. Automation saves time and enforces strategy. If metrics stop updating, first reauthorize the affected account and then rerun a manual sync. That fixes most API or permission issues. Finally, schedule a 1-week review to confirm changes, move KPIs in the right direction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.